Even before my first Olympics, I might have been jogging, I might have been lifting weights, I might have been eating dinner, I might have been walking down the mall. You know what's going on in here all the time? What I thought about all the time? I could see myself walking into that opening ceremonies. I could see all the people cheering. It was so exciting. And I look over there and wow, there's the Olympic flag and there's those rings, we're here. And I look over my shoulder and wow, here's the Olympic torch burning brightly. And here's the Olympic orchestra playing the Olympic anthem, my favorite song in the whole wide world. And we're high-fiving each other. We made it, it was worth it, it was worth it. You feel the wind hitting your face and the snow and the tears, and you feel the goosebumps everywhere. I can feel the goosebumps right now, guys. I am there. And 4 years later, when I actually got to walk into that stadium, it was just like I imagined it, only 100 times better. It was awesome, awesome. The mind can't tell the difference between what you vividly imagine with all your heart and all your soul and all your passion. It can't tell the difference between that and something that's actually happening. So when you go through that little exercise, what's it gonna feel like? What's it gonna taste like? What's it gonna be like when I finally make my dream come true? You get strong inside. You start walking differently. You start talking differently. All of a sudden, people that made fun of you, they disappear from your life. They're after somebody that's weak. All of a sudden, you become better at work. You become a better leader at work. You become a better teacher because everybody wants to follow somebody that's excited. Everybody wants to follow somebody that's passionate, right? Look back, think back in your lives. Who's your favorite teacher? It probably had nothing to do with the subject. It had to do with the attitude and the excitement. And that's something anybody can do.